Welcome to Health Steps 24/7. I'm Chris, your social media pharmacist. Today I will be talking on STDs or sexually transmitted diseases you can get from oral sex. Become a health stepper. Walk more. Count those steps. Enjoy your walk. Subscribe to Health Steps 24/7. Before I talk about STDs or sexually transmitted diseases you can get from oral sex, I will first give you the meaning or definition of oral sex. What is oral sex? When you use your mouth, lips, or tongue to stimulate the vagina, penis, or anus of your sex partner, you are performing oral sex. Stimulation of your sex partner's vagina using your mouth, lips, or tongue to suck or lick the vagina is also called cunnilingus. Cunnilingus also involves the stimulation of the vulva, which includes the clitoris. Stimulation of your sex partner's penis using your mouth, lips, or tongue to suck or lick the penis is also called fellatio, while stimulation of your sex partner's anus using your mouth, lips, or tongue to suck or lick the anus is also called anilingus. The sexual stimulation of your partner's vagina or penis is also known as genital stimulation. Since the penis and vagina are called the genital area or genitals. Oral sex was once considered as taboo. Today, oral sex is generally considered as a normal part of sexual activity. A survey of sexually active adults found that more than 85% of sexually active adults between the ages of 18 to 44 years reported having oral sex at least once with a partner of the opposite sex. While oral sex can be very enjoyable, providing couples with extreme pleasure, multiple orgasms, and sexual satisfaction, thereby keeping couples emotionally connected and feeling happy, oral sex also has some similar health risk as sexual penetration or sexual intercourse. Oral sex can also cause the spread of sexually transmitted diseases or STDs. Several sexually transmitted diseases can be spread through oral sex. Sexually transmitted diseases that you can get through oral sex include gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia, genital herpes, HIV Aids, Trichomoniasis, and HPV. Let's have a brief, closer look at each of these sexually transmitted diseases. What is gonorrhea? What is the risk of getting gonorrhea from oral sex? Gonorrhea is an infection that is caused by a sexually transmitted bacterium that infects both males and females. Gonorrhea most often affects the urethra, rectum, and throat. The urethra is a tube in your body that helps in the removal of urine from the body for both males and females. Males also use the urethra for ejaculation, while the rectum serves as a temporary storage for your feces. That is, the rectum holds your feces until you push out your feces during a bowel movement. You can get gonorrhea in your throat if you give oral sex to a partner who has an infected penis, vagina, anus, or rectum. Likewise, if you receive oral sex on the penis, vagina, or anus from a partner who has gonorrhea in their throat, you can get gonorrhea on the penis, vagina, or in the rectum. What is syphilis? What is the risk of getting syphilis from oral sex? Syphilis is a bacterial infection that is commonly spread through sexual contact. Syphilis starts as a painless sore, typically on your mouth, penis, vagina, or rectum. The disease spreads from person to person when skin or mucous membrane comes into contact with the syphilis sore or rash. You can get syphilis if you give oral sex to a partner who has a syphilis sore or rash on their penis, vagina, or anus. Likewise, if you receive oral sex from a partner who has a syphilis sore or rash on their mouth or lips, you can get syphilis. What is chlamydia? What is the risk of getting chlamydia from oral sex? Chlamydia is a common sexually transmitted infection that is caused by bacteria. Because many people do not have symptoms such as pain in the genital area or a discharge from the penis or vagina, you or your partner may not know that a chlamydia infection is present. You can get chlamydia in your throat if you give oral sex to a partner with an infected penis, vagina, anus, or rectum. Likewise, if you receive oral sex on the penis, vagina, or anus from a partner who has chlamydia in their throat, you can get chlamydia on your penis, vagina, in the urinary tract, or in the rectum. What is genital herpes? What is the risk of getting genital herpes from oral sex? Genital herpes is a common sexually transmitted infection that is caused by the herpes simplex virus. Sexual contact is the main way that the herpes simplex virus spreads. Initially, after being infected, the herpes simplex virus lies dormant in your body but can reactivate several times per year. What is HIV Aids? What is the risk of getting HIV Aids from oral sex? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, or AIDS, is a chronic, potentially life-threatening syndrome that is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV. HIV is a sexually transmitted infection. The human immunodeficiency virus, that is HIV, damages your body's natural defense mechanism, interfering with your body's ability to defend itself against infection and disease. Unlike vaginal or anal sex, the risk of transmitting or getting HIV from giving or receiving oral sex is very low. However, an important factor that affects the risk of getting or transmitting HIV is the virus level in an infected partner's blood or other body fluids at the time of having oral sex. The virus level is also called the viral load. If the viral load cannot be detected by laboratory testing, then the risk of spreading HIV by oral sex is eliminated. What is Trichomoniasis. What is the risk of getting trichomoniasis from oral sex? Trichomoniasis is a common sexually transmitted infection that is caused by a parasite. Trichomoniasis can cause genital itching, painful urination, and a foul-smelling discharge in women, while men who have trichomoniasis typically have no symptoms. You can get trichomoniasis in your throat if you give oral sex to a partner who has an infected penis or vagina. What is HPV? What is the risk of getting HPV from oral sex? HPV is the abbreviation for human papilloma virus. HPV is an infection that is spread through sexual or other skin-to-skin contact. HPV is also known to cause some types of cancer, such as cancer of the penis, vagina, anus, cervix, and throat. The cervix is the lower section of the uterus that connects with the vagina. You can get HPV in your throat if you give oral sex to a partner with an infected penis, vagina, anus, or rectum. Likewise, if you receive oral sex on the penis, vagina, or anus from a partner who has HPV, you can get HPV or human papilloma virus on the penis, vagina, in the urinary tract, rectum, or anus. By using a dental dam or condom every time you have oral sex, you can reduce the risk of giving or getting from your sex partner a sexually transmitted disease or STD. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Join me next time for more health videos. Bye for now.